Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Givenchy Beauty review and tryout video for you guys. I am currently filming this while we are going through a blizzard right now. It's heavily snowing, has made its way to the UK. Yeah, I thought, why don't I just sit down? I've made myself a cup of tea in my flask to make sure it stays nice and hot whilst I'm doing this review, and yeah, just test out the new Givenchy beauty items. I have first is the Givenchy Beauty Prism Libre Skin Caring Glow foundation. I've got two shades here. This is meant to have so many skincare benefits. It's not really dubbed as a foundation. During lockdown, a lot of us are at home still, working from home, but we still want to hide some of our imperfections like I have here. But I don't want a full thick coverage, and this is what they say is going to replace your foundation. It's more of a CC cream, but a bit more thicker than that, I would say. And then to celebrate the Chinese Lunar New Year, Givenchy Beauty have brought out some beautiful red additions to their existing product line. So I've got the Prism L'Ombre Eclat Radiance Loose Powder. This is their 4-in-1. And then I've got their lipstick here, which is the 888, the luckiest number. Golden red. So I'm going to unbox these for you guys, try them on. I'm hoping this is going to be like a glowy makeup tutorial. Valentine's Day is around the corner, and I know that this is a red lipstick, so it'll be nice to try, you know, have a glowy fresh skin and then a nice red lip. So this is what the foundations look like. Very chic, very Givenchy branded, and it just looks really gorgeous. I love this button detailing here. And you also have the Givenchy Beauty emblem on the top of the lids as well. I have to say they feel very heavy, very luxurious, made out of glass. But what is great about these is that they actually have the pump action, which I just feel like you get so much more out of your product, therefore more value for your money. I've got the shade 3N2550, and then I've got 3W245. I hope I've said that right. Very long numbers, and on the box, yeah, it doesn't, it's more of a number versus an actual name of the shade. So they have brought this out in 30 shades, which I think is a great selection. It's not amazing, but they definitely try to cater something for everybody. I definitely have an olive skin tone right now. In the winter I'm super pale, so hopefully this will bring back the, you know, the luminosity in my skin. I think the shade that better suits me is the 3N2550. Just put my hair back, and then I've done my skincare, so I can go straight in with the foundation. I am going to just pump it straight onto my foundation brush. I am lazy right now, and I think what I like about my foundations is that they need to be just easygoing. Right, first I've just put it on that blemish I had on my cheek, and it has completely disappeared. Do I need to do a replay? I cannot believe that has just covered up that blemish. I'm so impressed. My skin is very blemish prone. It gets aggravated very easily, and therefore comes out in breakouts. Like, I've got some breakouts here, got redness there, some pigmentation on my nose, and on this side you can see it's completely taking it away. It's like to apply it with a brush, and then wherever I need more coverage I will just dab it like that, and I just feel like that gives you such a good base. I'm also going to do my neck, and I've got a spot on my neck as well. This is just the one pump that I used on this side of the face. They are very small pumps, but you can see by dabbing it, it's completely taken away that spot. And I just feel like I don't need a lot of foundation, which is absolutely great. And this is just in natural daylight, and you can just see how like luminous my skin looks. I don't really need to do my forehead, but I'm just gonna dab it ever so slightly. And that is like the perfect shade for me, especially now in the winter. But this is like my perfect shade. perfect skin tone. I think sometimes with brands when they do an olive skin tone, when they try and do like a medium olive skin tone complexion foundation, it can be very yellow, and I don't like that. This has a really neutral undertone to it. It's my skin, but there's no yellowness whatsoever, so I really like that. And I like the fact that a little goes a long way. So Givenchy actually held a Zoom press talk, and it says that over time that this foundation will improve the texture of your skin, which I think is amazing because of all those skincare benefits that it has to it. Get this kind of level of coverage, but also the hydration, the skincare benefits, and being sustainable to the environment. I've never actually come across a foundation like this. It's available now, and I will link this down below in case you guys are interested if you're out there looking for a new foundation on the market. I believe that Givenchy Beauty also have a skin matching service, so go onto their website and just, if you've never tried any of their products before, then definitely get colour matched by them. I'm now going to set my foundation, and I'm super excited to open up the Givenchy Lunar New Year edition. This is absolutely gorgeous. Items like this I just love to collect. They are so beautiful. Obviously beauty is my job, and collecting items like this is just something I really enjoy. I love this kind of leather. I'm not sure if it's real leather or pleather casing on the front, and then it has Givenchy embossed in gold. Ugh, it just looks beautiful. I've never tried their Prism Libre Radiance powder before. It's one of a kind. Again, I've never seen anything like it. Oh my gosh, you open it up and it has a little puffy thing with Givenchy on there. Oh, it's just so gorgeous. Yeah, you open it up and it has 4 compartments that will all mix into one. And for something that is so premium like Givenchy Beauty, they are at an amazing price point. So this is only £44, something that you can keep forever. I would personally, once I'm finished, would like take out this bit and then use this as like a trinkle tray, or you can pop a candle on it and use it as a candle holder. And then I have the lipstick here, which I'm gonna unravel, and that is only £32. You can use it with the poof thing that comes with it, but I am going to use a brush because that is just how I always like to apply my powder. And then how I would do it is just tap into the lid and it comes out like that, so you can swirl all the different colours, so you can make sure you get a bit of everything, and then just whoosh it around, tap off the excess, and then I would just pat it onto my skin. And I think that's it. I mean, that foundation, I just feel like I don't really need to set it too much. I'm just going to do my neck. You can see here that my skin looks like skin. It doesn't look like I've got any foundation on whatsoever. I'm really impressed with that. Okay, so now moving on to the lipstick. This is the Lunar New Year Marble Edition lipstick in shade 888 Golden Red. This is just absolutely divine. I love the packaging. And then here we are. This is absolutely gorgeous. And like I said, Valentine's Day is coming up, so this is just something you can treat yourself, treat a loved one, a girlfriend, your mum, sister. And it's a limited edition that they know, you know, is not going to be around forever. I just think it's a lovely special item. And this just feels so premium. This is like a leather texture to it. You open it up and you are just adorned by this beautiful, gorgeous marble lipstick. And then the Givenchy embossed on it as well. This is something I'm just in awe of. I could literally just sit here and look at this turn and look at all the different gold fragments to it. This lipstick is £32 and it's a great celebratory lipstick. It's amazing. I've already got a bit of lip liner on. I'm just going to put this on straight on the lips, and there's nothing really in the middle of my lips, it's just more around. I have the lip liner, so we'll be able to get a true representation of what this looks like. I don't know if you'll be able to see this on camera, but you do get hints of the gold on your lips. It's so subtle, but underneath certain light you really do see it. Do you see the kind of gold sparkle fragments in the lipstick, and it's just so beautiful. Actually, I can just imagine, you know, under the fireworks, celebrating a new year, that this lipstick is just gonna glow and just be the center of attention. It's absolutely lovely. Feels really comfortable as well, and it's actually glided on really well considering I haven't used a lip liner. So I feel kind of rest assured that if I'm out and about and I've forgotten my lip liner, that I can just put this on and it's kind of giving me a straight even line all around. I'm now just going to put on some bronzer and a bit of highlighter to kind of pull this look all together. So that is the finished look. Gosh, what a bronzer and a red lip and a glowy fresh base can do for like your well-being and your self-esteem and confidence. Honestly, I just feel so much more happier. And on a day like today, like I said, it's grey, it's snowing, we're going through a storm. This red lipstick has just kind of uplifted my whole complexion and brighten up my whole face and day. So I'm gonna wear this around, I'm gonna do some work, I'm gonna take Princey out for a walk, and then I'll be back later to kind of finish off and share like my thoughts on how the lipstick wore, how the foundation and the powder have lasted throughout the day. So I'll see you guys a bit later. So guys, it's been a few hours. I've had a coffee, I've had something to eat, I've had lunch, and I've been working away. So firstly, the lipstick has held out so well considering I've been eating and drinking and the most tiniest bit of fade has happened. It feels so comfortable and it hasn't really bothered me at all. It's felt super hydrating. I'm just going to touch it up now. It's a beautiful formula, lovely shade of red, and the packaging is superb. The foundation has worn really well as well. I've only had a tiny bit of mascara marks there, which usually happens where, you know, throughout the whole day unless I properly bake under my eyes, but that could be super drying. So it's not too bad. I think you can see just there my mascara, but I guess that's the downside of having long lashes. So yeah, it has held so well, and the powder hasn't caked, hasn't creased as well. My verdict is this is a winner. I absolutely love it. For the packaging and for the formula, I mean, you can't beat it. So those are my thoughts. Hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and let me know of any other makeup tutorials you'd like to see here over on my channel. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Turn on that notification bell. If you want to see more of me, more behind the scenes, more videos, then come over to Instagram where I've got loads over on my reels. But that's it from me, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.